Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Trevor Castiglione. Trevor is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Trevor.
Thanks, Brad. It's a great opportunity to get to speak to people.
Really appreciate you taking the time. Today I want to talk to you, or more or less to give you an opportunity to introduce yourself to myself, but also the many voters out in Orangeville.
Okay, well, thank you, Brad. Well, I'm running for town council here in Orangeville. I've lived in Orangeville for 40 plus years, very active in the community, many charities. The ones I'm most proud of would be the Toys for Tots with our Orangeville Police. We also do, our biggest one would be the dinners for seniors that can't afford to have a nice meal on all of the great holidays that we have throughout the year, or they just can't do them themselves. So we go out and we make sure that they all have them, and they all have even a few minutes of our time to sit there and talk to them. I've also, throughout those years, since 2010, 2014, been very active in all of our elections and going to council itself. I've been just as frustrated as all the taxpayers with many of the issues throughout those years. And after this time and seeing everything that's been going on, I felt it was time for me to stand up and be someone different, someone that stood out and would have a common sense approach that I haven't seen with many of our councils.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for your contributions to the community, and of course coming in and telling us a little bit more about yourself.
And I thank you for taking the time.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of what Trevor has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and I'll see you next time.